Rose Roach is the executive director of the Minnesota Nurses Association. And I used to be the executive director for the Minnesota Nurses Association. And so I met Rose as she came into this role. And she didn't need much advice from me because she is clearly from the labor movement.
I said it's kind of funny that she, was wearing a suit at her interview, because you can rarely find her wearing anything but an M&A shirt. And part of it's because she goes to so many different things around the cities.
Nurses are up against corporatized healthcare. They can't take that on one by one for themselves. Nurses use the collective bargaining process specifically to advocate for patients' care and patient safety.
Rose is crystal clear about the importance of labor, about leaning into building the labor movement.
I know I get a lot of times the question from members who will say, it's the union, why aren't we just doing grievances and negotiating contracts? Why are we doing politics? And I say to them, I don't know, is the CEO of the hospital doing politics? Are the insurance companies doing politics? How about Big Pharma? If they're there, then you have to be there, because the nurses are the voice of the patients.
And her support for single-payer health care is as clear as was Senator Wellstone's. And that's why this is such a fitting tribute for Rose.
The first time I saw Paul Wellstone speak, he was actually speaking at a Jesse Jackson rally for president in 1988. And my immediate reaction was, who is that little spitfire? Where did this guy come from? He's amazing, right? Paul's legacy is about everybody matters, every worker matters, every job matters. That's what Paul Wellstone's about.
In the last 6 months, M&A has actually organized 3 brand new bargaining units that we didn't have before. So under Rose's leadership, we organized 300 nurses in North Dakota, which is the biggest win organized labor has had in North Dakota in 40 years.
Rose has been an instrumental leader in healthcare and in labor in the last decade in Minnesota, and we're lucky to have her.
What else can I say about her? She's just so amazing.
Politics is a group sport, so I don't think that I've done anything personally just alone. What I have been able to do is work with these visionary nurses of M&A and the awesome staff of M&A, and we have built a powerful political program that really centers people in our politics. And that was very much what Paul Wellstone was about, centering people in our politics.